Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, yeah.
It's a really sunny day. So the catfish, we have the catfish over here. So my dad just changed the water, that's why it's so clean and you can see them so clean, like so. So let me close this up and show you guys the other ones.
All in fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your.
We get pumpkin in here. Outside, so you can hear the what do they call it, the bike. This one right here is the coconut tree. It has not produced any coconut, it's still very young. We have some ephiri, that's African basil. We have some African basil. Come over here, have some, see how they are. Have some mangoes, avocados here. They are really big. Have papaya. Okay, so this is the nuts. This is what you like roast, and this is what you call the cashew nut. And then there is this sour sop also. It has started producing. This is it here. Have some bananas at the back of the compound also. Let me show you. Keep some for Christmas. Yeah. These ones are the layers. We have this.
once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just
So guys, I am on my way to the supermarket. I need to get some few things at the supermarket that we need at home. Okay, so I'll see you there if I can vlog there. I'm just going to show you guys a few clips of me at the supermarket.
one. I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hi guys, so I am back from the supermarket. So my plan was to go to the supermarket, get some provisions and stuff like that, and then from the supermarket I will go to the local market to get some soup ingredients. But guess what, it started raining while I was in the supermarket. The roads were horrible, so I couldn't go to the market. It was really bad. I couldn't go to the market as planned. So my plan was to go to the supermarket, get the things that I needed there, and then move to the local market to get some soup ingredients that I would prepare today. I spent hours in the supermarket just waiting for the rain to stop. Today it wasn't as I planned, so I'll just end this vlog here. Please, if you liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and also leave down your comments. It helps my channel and it helps me to grow. So that's it from me. See you guys in the next one. Bye.